Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is sweet potatoes. We'll be making crispy sweet potato with mint yogurt and sweet potato gnocchi.
So we're gonna take our sweet potato, we cook it about 35 minutes till it's completely soft. And just put it like a skewer through it, make sure it comes out clean. So we're gonna get a little bit of flour from over here. We're gonna utilize this twice. About 1 pound to half a cup of flour.
And you're carefully measuring out your half a cup.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah, so really it's about like 1/8 flour. But then
My mom
again,
used to say till it feels done.
Yes, and you're just gonna work it. Some salt, pepper.
I've always wanted to make gnocchi, but I'm scared. It sounds like it's so hard. So
now you can.
Yeah.
Nothing to be afraid of. Don't fear the sweet potato.
Right.
So let's talk a little bit about the sweet potato.
Yes.
What nutrients are in it?
So many nutrients in a sweet potato. So once you learn about them, you'll never want to eat a regular potato again. So sweet potato has lots of healthy things. That orange color, so you're getting your vitamin A, your beta carotene. That's really good for eyesight. Who doesn't need that?
Yeah.
We all do. But you're also getting a ton of fiber. And so fiber is really important for kids, for good digestion. It's important for adults. It helps keep our cholesterol down. So you're not getting all those kinds of nutrients when you're getting a regular potato. So definitely going for your sweet potato. But you're also getting your B vitamins, you're getting vitamin A, you're getting copper. So there's a lot of stuff that's in all that. So we just made that fast.
Yep, that's it.
You
Yep.
just rolled it and cut it, and you got it.
So you're gonna drop it into the water,
So
and then
easy.
when it floats, it's done.
Wow.
We made half of it there,
You did
right?
it in 3
And then I
minutes.
took the other half of it.
So it's the same thing.
Same
I'm
thing.
seeing where you're going. I'm liking
Yes. So this is the same thing. We're gonna kind of just soup it up for the kids. You know, put a little bit creme fraiche in there. Take these guys. Theirs are almost coming up.
We're
gonna
going
put
to
in
dip
here,
them.
here. And then we're gonna
Just
go-
like you would bread chicken or something else.
Exactly.
Okay? And this is where if you involve kids in cooking, they can dunk, they can roll stuff. Just
Yeah,
make sure
so
they
much
wash hands
fun.
when they're done if they're dealing with egg. But that's fun. And the more they're involved with it and they see what it means to where their food comes from and how to cook, they're going to more be likely to eat
I
it.
agree, totally.
And then after the egg, you have, is that panko breadcrumbs or?
yeah, this is panko breadcrumbs. You can use seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use any kind you want.
Okay. All right. Looks like we're
So
done.
Once we're floating.
So we're going to just, okay, drain those there.
Yep. We're just going to use some brown butter and sage,
Okay.
and we're going to grate some nice goat cheese on top. So let's see how we're doing here.
So
Beautiful.
just when you get a little sizzle.
Yep. Beautiful. So we just flip these over. Out
They
of
look
the
like
oil.
tater tots.
They look great.
Yeah. We're going to do a little bit of butter, and it should, you want it to get a little bit of brown there. Just a little bit of olive oil. Take the sage. I'm going to take some of the
So you chilled your gnocchi.
Yeah. I like them to be a little bit firm. So it's not super hot. You let those get a little bit caramelized.
Okay.
These guys are going to come out. You know, you can just buy this at the supermarket, whatever you like. Vanilla yogurt.
Okay.
All kids love yogurt.
Finish it out with mint.
And there's just going to be like a little dipping. I
You
love
can
cheese.
go with it or without
I think
it.
it's one of the 4 food groups, is it not?
You have to get your calcium in there with
Right.
your sweet potatoes.
It's not hard. It took any time at all.
Yeah.
That looks great.
Dinner is
Let's-
served.
Thank you.
I'm going to do
Finger foods,
the,
right?
exactly,
Finger food, definitely.
the dunk and taste method.
Like that method.
I'm telling you, kids are absolutely going to eat this. Every parent needs to make this.
This is amazing.
Right? I'm going to eat this.
That is so good.
Also so good.
So good.
Yeah.
They were so simple. I'm so excited to go try these.
Yeah, this is a win. Good job.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.